If you don't have your mystery boxes file open, go ahead and open that. And move that over here just to be neat. Held down the space bar to get the hand tool temporarily. Now, we're going to apply an effect. Now, I always cringe when I show students effects because then they want to use effects on everything. Scott go, why is Illustrator running so slow? Because you've introduced 47,000 vectors into that image by using filters, okay, the effects. Now, these are Illustrator effects up here. Use these. These are Photoshop effects. Don't use Photoshop effects in Illustrator. Number one, it rasterizes everything. And number two, that's what Photoshop is for. Okay, so stick to the Illustrator effects. And I'm just going to come down to warp, warp, and wave. And by default, I believe this is the default, what you will see. And you'll say, it doesn't do anything. Okay, well, horizontal, vertical. Whoa. Okay, this is the default setting. You can play around with these things and do all kinds of cool stuff, but right now, just accept that default. Make sure preview's on. Scotcho is not doing anything, you know, well, we already got that. Okay, so now, let's copy this, Command-C, jump over to Photoshop, Command-N. I think you know what's coming, right? We're working off the clipboard. Hit plus, so mine's same size as yours. We're going to paste this as a smart object. Hit return to accept it. Now, which one of the two steps should we take? Let's avoid what we know is going to happen when we duplicate the smart object because we're going to get a black and white. Well, heck. Command-J, just so you can see. Command-T. I mean, I'm just saying that's what we're going to see. And yeah, hit return. Boom. Kind of cool, huh? Op art. Okay, the illusion of 3 dimensions. Can you feel this arcing up, dipping down the lowest point right here in this whole image? Okay, so I'm going to turn that off, come back down here, click on new layer, and then merge everything. Shift, Option, Command, E, merge everything. Command T to rotate this 90 degrees, holding down Shift, hit return. Change this blend mode. Can you see what's coming when I change it to difference? Oh my. Try to draw this manually with a pencil. Think about that. Think about how quick this was and what else is possible. I want to show you something next that used to take me days and days and days to create. And I was about as perfect as a computer can do it. But now I kind of like using the computer because I can do it in minutes.